Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case to protect your beautiful device. This time I will be reviewing the Otterbox Defender series case for the S23 Ultra. I reviewed the Defender Pro a couple days ago, so if you want to check out that video, you can definitely do so. In this video, we can discuss what's the differences between these two cases too. But let's get into it. In this video, I will make sure we go over the fit. I will show y'all how to install the case, make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge with it? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But here is the Defender case. They have a couple different colors for this one. It says Drop Plus, multi-layer defense. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But it's pretty much like the Defender Pro, but it's missing a few things, and I'm gonna try to discuss that in this video. Right now, I believe that they are the same price. So here's the case itself. You can see one big difference is that the Pro has the design in there, the letters, the lines in there. That's one big difference you can tell right off the bat. It's just the design too down there has different colors. But one thing that this one has is that bacterial layer protection. So that way, you know, it tries to keep you clean and fight off bacteria. Where this one doesn't have that protection on there. At least that's what the boxes show. So there you go. This one has it, and then this one doesn't. Then also I read somewhere online that this is made out of different material and it's supposed to give less drop protection. I don't know if that's true. I couldn't prove it or not, but I've read that somewhere on their website that this one is less drop protection than this. But which one do y'all like? Do y'all like the lines in there or y'all don't? Because pretty much the design of the case is the same. Even the belt clip is the same. The belt clip is pretty much the same. Let's try something else. So I switched belt clips. Not a problem there. But here's the case. It has the same little flap. It has the same installation. You can install it the same way. You can see the inside too. In the inside, the pattern's different also. There you go. But you want to install it the same way. So first you have to uninstall it. You take off the outer layer, just like you did the Defender Pro. Now you have this piece here, and you want to, where they have the arrows, take them apart. Just be careful, you don't want to break it. Once you get it apart, you want to line this bad boy in here and then put it back together. Just line it up though. Make sure everything clicks in place. Once everything clicks in place and you're good to go, you just put this back around, and you just want to work it around. Make sure it's in there good. Get it around the little pieces there. Now this one does not have the built-in screen protector just like this. I don't mind that missing. And look at it. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Get the same camera protection that you got on the other one. You have the same lip action all the way around. I mean, if I put this down and I give me a piece of paper or something, I'm going from top to bottom. So there's definitely enough room. That way if you drop it, but here's the side there. It has extra grip on the sides. And the back is made out of the same material as this. Just doesn't have that design there. Little logo there. Same thing on this side. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and easy, nice and tactile. That microphone lines up at the top. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have your little part cover there. I had some people tell me they cut this off. I used to cut it off, but I haven't done that in a while. It's easy to get the pen out. And again, the reason why it's easy is because they come down to the frame. I love that design. Every case manufacturer needs to do that. But I do like this case though. I like the blue. Like I said, it comes in many different colors. But I don't know, which one would you want to pick up? The Defender Pro or just the Defender? I think right now they're actually both the same price. Usually this one's a little bit cheaper, but right now it's the same price. Here's the belt clip in case you're, if you want to see the belt clip. There you go. It works normal. Again, if you want to watch videos, you can put your phone in there if I put it in the right way. And then you turn this and you lock that in place. And now you have a kickstand. Just like the other one too. But this is the Defender, not the Defender Pro. You take the kickstand off and you can get your case out of here, the phone out of here. And now you have your phone out of the kickstand. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this case. Now the last thing we need to make sure is, can you wireless charge? I almost forgot to do that part of it. Here's my wireless charger. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues there. I didn't think you would have a problem because you don't have a problem with the Pro. But this is just a Defender case, Otterbox Defender. If you want to pick this case up, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.